Hey everyone, experiencing a no power issue with your VTech cordless phone base. In this video, we will walk you through quick and effective solutions to get it working again. Let's dive in. The base is not securely plugged into a working electrical outlet. The outlet may be faulty or controlled by a switch, cutting off power to the base. The power adapter or a cord is damaged or malfunctioning. There is an internal fault in the base unit, such as damaged transfer or circuitry. Temporary glitches may require the base to be reset to restore functionality. Fix 1. Connect base to power cord. Make sure the base station is plugged into a working outlet and that the power adapter is functioning properly. Check if the headset lights up, shows characters on the display, or makes sounds to confirm it's not dead. A new battery might not fix the problem. Ensure the base unit is getting power. Do not plug it into outlets that are controlled by switches or power strips. If your battery is a plug-in type, unplug it and then plug it back in to ensure a secure connection. Also check that the battery cover is tightly closed. Look for charging indicators on the base or a handset to see if they show that the phone is charging. Consult your user's manual for more information. Fix to reset the phone. Resetting a VTech cordless phone can resolve issues like glitches or connectivity problems by resetting default settings and reestablishing the connection between the handset and base. Disconnect the battery from the handset, unplug the power cord from the base station. Wait a few minutes to allow the system to fully reset. Reconnect the power cord to the base and reinstall the handset battery. Place the handset back on the base to reestablish the connection. Fix 3. Check with alternate base. If possible, find another VTech base station that is compatible with your handset. Plug the alternate base into a working electrical outlet using its power adapter. Place your handset on the alternate base to see if it charges or powers on. Test the phone to see if it works properly with the alternate base, including checking for a dial tone and other features. If the handset works with the alternate base, the original base may be faulty and may need to be repaired or replaced. If it still doesn't work, the issue may lie with the handset itself. Fix 4. Contact customer support. If none of these steps work, reach out to VTech customer support for further assistance. You might need to replace the cordless phone base. Phone support, call 800-595-9511 for technical support. Live chat, access the live chat portal on their support website for immediate assistance. Remote support, connect to a technician for remote help through their support site. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.